Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sum a column in Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the column you want to sum. Now click on the cell where you want the sum of the column to appear. Now type an equal sign, then enter sum. Next, open parenthesis and highlight the cells you want to add. Then after, close the bracket, press enter, and there you go. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.